If you love something, don't you want someone else to experience it? Because it's the best thing that can happen in your life. My name is Kin. I am originated from Hong Kong. My family and I came to the UK 20-something years. I came to know IDC while I was at university. A friend of mine introduced me to IDC, and then I came to the IDC Center, had a multiple one-to-one session with one of the mentor, and attended some classes. That's how I came to know about IDC. I have had multiple roles. I started at volunteer at DC via the soup kitchen. Every Tuesday, we would take food up at the monument and provide the food to the homeless or people in need. And generally, the people there are very nice. They might not take food, but they just want someone to talk with. At late, I'm working with the new Muslim group, providing mentorship to new Muslims. One of the most significant things that I have done is organizing a Muslim taster session at work, where I invited Abu Tayyib to give a taste what Islam is about at my workplace. I think that was a very big step, because I work in a very corporate environment where Muslim is a minority within the workplace, and I thought, why not introduce people what the religion is about, so we can avoid any potential discrimination. Alhamdulillah, there was 5 sessions that we completed, and there was a lot of good engagement, a lot of good conversations, and we provided free Qur'an to the people who are interested. So that was one of my significant and best memory of my voluntary work. I was there when someone took their Shahada, and you just feel so happy for them that Allah opened their heart and they received guidance in that moment when they received that. So that's one of the best memory for the Dawah. IDC affected my life dramatically in a very positive way. I reverted 6 years ago. IDC provided numerous Muslim support from the foundation knowledge, who is my Lord, how to conduct myself, having the brotherhood, the community, how I can navigate some of the my personal life issues or my work, how to deal with families. So IDC have provided tremendous support in that way. I hope to give something back, because IDC have provided all this support to get to where I am now. I want others to experience, so they're not lost once they've received Islam. That's not just it. We've got material and people to support you along the way. If you love something, don't you want someone else to experience it? So this is one of the reasons why I want to promote the religion through Dawah, because it's the best thing that can happen in your life, and I want to share this gift to others as well.